In this video, we are going to see 6th Standard English Term 2, Unit 2, Lesson 2, Trip. Already we have seen Section 1. In that, Merlin was a girl. She was writing letter to a friend Malli about her trip to Ooty. Trip to Ooty, Section 2. Before getting to the section 2, let us see some words and their meanings. Clinging, fitting closely to the body. Snatch, quickly grab. Scream, cry in a high pitch. Entranced, filled with wonder and delight. Thud, a loud sound as that of a heavy object striking a solid surface. After the train started, the scene outside was beautiful with the purple-blue mountains forming a lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Monkeys were racing all over the tracks, some were in groups and some had babies clinging on to them. The train was started. Merlin and her friends, they were looking outside. The scene was very beautiful with the purple-blue mountains and forming a very lovely backdrop to the green fields and tea estates. Yes, Ooty means we remember tea estates only, isn't it? And many monkeys were racing along with the tracks, and some were in groups, some were holding their babies. Clinging means fitting closely to the body. Look, Fatima, doesn't that monkey look cute holding on to its mother's stomach? I pointed excitedly. The monkeys were really bold. One of them tried to snatch a banana that a girl had in her hand. As she leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the rack, she let out a scream and moved back. Now it was Muthu's turn to snicker. Merlin asked Fatima to look at the cute monkey which is holding its mother's stomach. Really, monkeys are very bold. One of the monkey tries to snatch a banana from a girl. That girl was leaned out of the window to look at the train curving behind on the rack. Snatch means quickly grab. The girl was screamed. Screamed means cry in a high pitch. And then moved back to her place. Now it was Muthu's turn to snicker. Yes, when ma'am was scolding Muthu, all the girls snickered. Now Muthu snickered. I looked entranced at the misty clouds which covered the mountains and moved in and out of the forest. It looked just like a dream sequence in a movie. Fatima pointed to a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. Merlin was entranced. Entranced means filled with wonder and happiness by seeing the mountains which covered with misty clouds and moved in and out of the forest. And it was looking like a dream sequence in a movie. Then Fatima pointed out a bubbling stream with a small waterfall. They were enjoying the sceneries. Look, Merlin, can you see that bird there? It is such a pretty blue, has such a lovely crown, she said. Just then the train stopped suddenly with a thud. Oh, what happened? Asked a boy. Hey, why has the train stopped? Shouted another passenger. Fatima and Merlin were looking at the window. Fatima said, Merlin, can you see the bird there? It is such a blue bird and it's so pretty. And see the lovely crown. Suddenly, the train was stopped with a thud. Thud means a dull sound as that of a heavy object striking a solid surface. Suddenly, train stopped means what will you do? Yes, we'll ask question, isn't it? So like that, a boy asked, what happened? Another passenger in the train shouted, hey, why has the train stopped? But nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were the first to step out to see what had happened. Geeta madam tried to stop the children running out, but they were too excited and begged to be allowed to go out. In the end, The whole compartment stopped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. If suddenly train stop means, what will you do? Yes. Why did it stop? And did you want to see that, isn't it? Yes. The same way, Muthu also very eager to see what had happened. So nothing could stop Muthu. He and his friends were to step out of the compartment, but Geeta madam tried to stop him. But all the children were very excited and begged to be allowed them to go out. In the end, whole compartment stepped out, and what a sight greeted their eyes. Let us see in the next video what had happened there. Now, let us see about the toy train. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway was built by the British in 1908. Mountain train is another showcase of heritage of India. This rail connects Udagamandalam and Metupalayam. The journey is the most picturesque train that mesmerizes travelers of all age groups. This train travels through 208 serpentine curves, 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, waterfall foot, cliff edges, and tea estates covering a distance of 26 km. The uphill journey takes almost 4 hours. In the year 2005, UNESCO declared the Nilgiri Mountain Railway as an extension of the World Heritage Site Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Vintage steam locomotive is still retained as an excellent attraction to this train. Highest point in Nilgiri is Doddabetta Peak, 2637 meters. So children, whenever you get chance to travel by the toy train, utilize it, and you will know about the many things when you travel in the train. Let us see section 3 in the next video.